who want to start a VA, they never started. And those ones who do, most of them, they quit before landing their first client. I will show you 6 steps. No degree, no experience, and no money needed. Stay on to step 5. Most beginners skip it, and that's why they fail. I'm Coach Jovex, and I'm the founder of Jovex Remote Academy. We take complete beginner from zero to their first remote work. Watch my previous videos first, link in description. Now let us get into the 6 steps. The first step is for you to choose your type. Most beginners try to offer everything, but the right step is to choose one lane. Before you learn anything as a virtual assistant, pick one lane first. If you are trying to learn everything together, you will be overwhelmed. There's a lot of things, there's a lot of niches, so you can't learn everything. You have to pick a lane. So there are general VA, executive VA, medical VA, administrative VA, and a lot more. So pick one, write it down, and this is your lane. Now let's move to step 2. Learn the skills. You do not need a degree. You need specific learnable digital skills. Most are completely free to learn right now. You can learn on Allison, YouTube. General VA skills consist. They use Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Excel, Zoom, Slack, Trello, and other tools like that. Social media VA skills use Canva, Bova, Caption, Analytics, hashtags, and things in their niche. Pick a specific niche. Don't just jump into everything all at once. Before I started as a VA, I learned most of my things on YouTube, on Allison and Udemy before I started. So after that, I took a course on ALX and Empower I remotely. It is good for you to know what you want to do, have a little experience on it before taking a course, so you know where to go into. You don't just take any course. You take the course that aligns with the specific nature of the one you pick. Now, step 3, you have to build your portfolio. Most beginners freeze here. They say, I have no clients, I have no work, how will I do a portfolio? You do not need a real work to build a portfolio. All you have to do is create a mock client in your mind. Just write the name of the client down and find a project. Just imagine that the project that the client will give you, just picture it, write it down, write the steps, and do it like you are doing it for the client. So, and that's how you get your portfolio. So do the work accordingly, do it step by step, follow the whole process and use it in your portfolio. So create mock work, sample projects, and show what you can do. That's what they want to see on your portfolio. And after you create mock projects and you've done it, it's successful, Google Sites, Notion, or Canva, and they are all free. So now let's move on to step 4. Step 4 is for you to create your profiles, because now you have skills, you have portfolio. Now show up where clients look. Go to Upwork, complete your profile 100%, set your picture, set your rates. Go to LinkedIn, put yourself out there, post consistently, set your profile, optimize it completely. And on Fiverr is also a freelancing platform where you can put your gigs out there, set your rates, and client DM you. Do not wait for perfection. You have to publish now and continue improving along the way. Step 5, start pitching. Do not wait. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is not coming. This is the step most beginners skips. They set up their profile and start waiting for clients, expecting clients to find them just like that. Sometimes it happens, but it won't happen to everybody. You should know that. So go out there, go on Upwork, find work and send out proposals. Go on LinkedIn, send outreach to clients. Personalize every proposal, never copy and paste. Don't ever do that. Use LinkedIn and Facebook to connect with big business owners. Send value messages first, not sales pitches. The honest truth is, your first 10 proposals might get no response at all. And that might happen to your first 20 also. But what you need to do is to keep going. Do not stop. If you stop, you will miss the opportunity entirely. Those VAs who you are seeing top rated on Upwork right now with 50,000 earnings, 100,000 earnings are the ones who do not stop. They keep pushing, they continued. That's why they get to where they are today. Now the 6 steps is for you to deliver excellence. When you get a work, deliver the work with diligence. I've seen this kind of thing before where the freelancer delivered with diligence. The freelancer worked really well that the client has to refer him to another of his friends, and with that you expand, you get more work. Confirm everything upfront, the tax, the deadline, information, everything. Check it and make sure you work on time and over deliver on your first work. So after the work, after the first week of working for the client, ask for a feedback, and after a month, ask for testimonial. So your first client is not just your first income, they are your proof of work, they are your testimonial, they are the evidence that you can do it. Deliver excellence and they will send the next client to you. So 6 steps, and that is the entire roadmap. Step 1, choose your type. Step 2, learn the skills. Step 3, build your portfolio. Step 4, create your profile. Step 5, start pitching. And step 6, deliver excellence. So with these 6 steps, you will be able to start your VA journey smoothly. The real truth that most coaches will not tell you. At some stage, it will be hard. You will feel like quitting, but don't quit. Information without action is useless. Start today, not when you feel ready. Subscribe to Jovex Remote Academy and comment below where you are right now in your VA journey. You started by watching this and that already put you ahead. See you in the next one.